El Yunque Rainforest Tour. Heidi! That's weird. You just killed them all. Interesting. Got this. All right. We made it down to the agua in El Yunque. We about to have some wet feet though. Oh, my cankles. Nice. Our awesome tour guide. What?
Now before I look scared.
All that water. We climbing today. We are climbing. Let's go. I got my man Ponce behind me.
A few minutes later.
Nice in the middle.
There we go. Did that natural water slide. That was pretty dope. That was pretty dope. I got rocked though. Not on that. But I got rocked on a rock. Split my elbow. That was fun. Pay attention though. These rocks are slippery as hell. But this is dope. Mikey just did the rope swing. He's about to jump off the edge of it with Ponce. Everybody else tripping over here. Watch this master. He be diving in. Ponce a beast. I done went too deep. Hit my head on a rock. I don't even know if you can see that. I was climbing back down. My foot slipped. Banged my hand, my elbow, and my knee like all at the same time. That was fun. That's why I wear helmets, because I'll just break everything.